والذين لا يدعون مع الله إلها آخر ولا يقتلون النفس التي حرم الله إلا بالحق.
Likewise, as the hadith that we know, the very well hadith of Ibn Umar radiallahu anhu, where he mentions the reality of the traveler and not to live today as if you're going to make it to the night. Meaning when you wake up, not to assume that you'll be living up until nighttime or evening, and that when you're going to bed, not to believe that you're going to wake up in the morning. Meaning just as a traveler, someone who travels for a weekend to a particular city and then comes back, they don't have thoughts of living there forever. They know where they came from. And so likewise, this dunya is supposed to be treated like that. It's as if it's a bridge. The analogy of a bridge that some of the ulama mentioned, that you start at one point and you're reaching the other point, that no one builds a house on a bridge. Bridges are used to travel across, and that it is illogical that someone would actually build a house on a bridge. And so that is how we should be treating the dunya. And if we have that attitude towards this dunya, it will aid us in abandoning sins, because the sins that we are committing is actually from the incitements of this dunya.